Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Traverse. Stock number is A8420. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest